Greetings. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can graph using Desmos, the graphing calculator tool, and then take the image and place it onto a PDF worksheet using the Google extension Cami. So we're going to be combining Cami and Desmos in order to graph mathematical equations. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so we're going to be talking about how we can work on and produce graphs for worksheets like the one we have right here on this side. This is a worksheet from CUDA software on graphing some lines. And we're going to use the tool of the online graphing calculator over here known as Desmos. And we're going to use Desmos in order to generate graphs that we can use on this other side for the worksheet. This is great for teachers and for students. So let's go ahead and walk on through. So we see here, we have y equals 7/2 x minus 2. And it says sketch a graph of the line. Now we're using Cami. The Cami extension, we have many different tools. We have a drawing tool here. We have a shape tool here as well. But for today's purposes, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to create a graph that we can use on Cami. So the first step, we need to, when we go to Desmos, the graphing calculator app, we type in our equation. So y equals 7/2 x minus 2. Now we see instantly we have right here our graph. We got the graph of our line. Now, how do we get the graph from being this picture over here to over onto our PDF? Let me show you. If we click on the upper right-hand corner, it says share graph, that third icon from the upper right. It says share graph. Now, if I click that, it gives me a few options: print, export, and embed. I'm going to go with the export image because I'm going to take the image and I'm going to drag it from one side to the other. They ask me, how do I want it? What do I want it to look like? Let's go with a medium square. We could change the thickness of the lines. And then, we got a 6x6 grid, just like the one we have over here on the left. I could download it as a PNG. And then it's as simple as dragging and dropping. Now it's a matter of making sure you get it the right size. But there we have it. That's one way you can use Desmos to generate an image in order to put on Cami. Now from Cami, if we need to turn this in, whether you're using Google Classroom or whatever account, you can click right here, this download button, and you say download with annotations, and you download it. You can see that when we open it up as a PDF outside of Cami, we see you have your graph right there. So you can export it, and you could then proceed to put this into your Google Classroom or submit it to your teacher. This is also a great tool that you can use as a teacher to create worksheets or create mathematical images. So in this video, to summarize, we talked about how we can go from a Cami worksheet, a PDF worksheet, generate a graph using the Desmos tool, take that image from Desmos, and then reapply it back into the Cami worksheet so you can produce a graph and turn it in for your assignment. Thanks for watching.